Hello my good YouTube friends, on this lovely morning in late September in Wales, UK, and I'm treating my baby here to a new set of boots. So I just had an MOT on it and passed with flying colours. The only advisory was the tyres are close on their limit now. Let me see if I can zoom. Oh, here we go. So there's the tyre indicator tread there. It's just coming close to a thing. Probably at a push could get, you know, 600 to 1,000 miles maybe, I don't know. But what swayed me to change them was round about 50 mile an hour. If I let go of the handlebars, which is about 80 kilometers an hour, isn't it? I'm getting quite a lot of wobbling. The second I grab the handlebars again, no issue whatsoever. And I've checked all the bearings, made sure everything's tight, can't find anything. So I'm pretty convinced maybe the tyres are slightly out of shape and that's what's causing the issue. The only other slight thing it could be, but there's no weights come off. I was going to say the wheel balancing or something like that, but I'm pretty sure they need doing. And oddly enough, the tyre that needs doing is the front one, which is a much newer one than the rear. But obviously I have both of them done. At the moment, I've got Dunlop Road Sport, I think, or something like that there on there at the moment. Sports Max or something it says there. I don't know. I'm sort of silhouetting into the light. I don't know where we can see that. Anyway, I'm going to go for Michelin now. I'm going to go for the Michelin Pilot 4 or something, I think it is. And I think they're up to 6 now, but that's within my budget, to be honest, and within my riding capabilities. And I know a few people have had them who say they're a good tyre, but I'm looking at the rear tyre as well, and that's pretty sort of squaring off now. Probably I don't lean into the corners as much as other people, you know. I just make sure I get round the corners. But they look like they're not far off, to be honest. They're very similar to where's that tyre tread? There it is. There's the tyre indicator tread there, so it's not far off wanting to be changed anyway. So obviously we'll get the pair. So someone's coming in a van, basically. They've got all the kit in there and they're going to put the tyres on for me. If he doesn't mind being filmed, I'll film all the process for you, and we'll see her with a new set of boots on her. Catch you soon. Oh, look at those babies, brand new Michelins, about to go on the old CB 650F. Looking a bit naked at the minute, not for long though. So we'll get her all dressed in a minute. Doing a cracking job here. Got the old van there, balances it, everything, and just a mobile service. So I'll be quite excited to go for a test drive soon. Oh, check out the new rubber. It's a bit sad, but this is what gets me excited. Really important as well. That's my contact. That's what keeps me upright. So these are the Michelin Pilot 4 Road, I think, or Road 4, or let me just see if I can see where they're written. Well, just have to take my word. But no, I'm really pleased with him. Oh, here we go. Pilot Road, is it? Right. No, so they do go, there's a much newer version of this, but this is what was within my budget. And if you're curious to know how much they were fitted, the 2 tyres were £285. So I saw them for sale for around about 240 or something like that, 245. So I thought, I haven't got any experience at fitting tyres on. For the sake of a little bit more, just get someone else to fit them, and they'll do a good job. They'll be balanced. You absolutely just put them on and off so quickly. I would have spent all day faffing about trying to get the old wheels on and the new ones on, the old wheels off and the new ones on. So definitely worth it. So I'm going to take it out for a little ride, and I'll report back. Just back from a test ride, and God, what a difference it makes. New tyres, everything. You know, a good set of tyres, it makes a transformation. Oh, nice little stone already stuck in it. Get him out. There we go. That wobble that I had in was totally gone, because, you know, a lot of people said, oh, it could be these hand guards in your windscreen here sort of causing wind buffering or all sorts of things. And nope, smooth as anything, and just a sense of confidence in the corners. So early days yet. I'm going out for a really long ride tomorrow, so it'll give it a good test. So as you can see, I've just gone up and down the dual carriageway, so still got the little dimples there on the tyres, but definitely a masked improvement. And so these are the Michelin Pilot 4. So early days yet, but for the first 7 or 8 miles I've done on them, fantastic. So catch you in a later video. Please tune in, like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.